When it comes to luxury cars, the thrill of driving a high-end vehicle often comes with the hidden reality that their value can drop dramatically within just a few years, and for enthusiasts or potential buyers, understanding which models depreciate the fastest is crucial to making an informed decision, and in this video, we're diving deep into the world of luxury automotive depreciation to explore the top 10 vehicles whose resale values plummet the quickest, starting with the infamous BMW 7 Series, a flagship sedan that boasts advanced technology, exquisite interiors, and a prestigious badge, yet suffers from high maintenance costs, rapid technological obsolescence, and a saturated used market, causing owners to lose nearly 60% of their value within the first 5 years, followed closely by the Jaguar XJ. Another luxurious British sedan that combines elegance and performance but is notorious for reliability issues, expensive repairs, and diminishing demand, making it a classic example of a car that looks stunning when new but quickly loses its financial appeal. And then there's the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a symbol of ultimate luxury and innovation, featuring the latest safety features, plush cabins, and cutting-edge technology. Yet, ironically, the very complexity and abundance of electronics can lead to costly maintenance and repair challenges, pushing depreciation rates high as owners trade them in for newer models, while the Audi A8, Audi's top-tier sedan, also suffers a similar fate, as its refined styling, quattro all-wheel drive system, and luxurious interior cannot prevent the steep decline in value due to high initial pricing, costly optional features that don't hold resale value, and a competitive used luxury market. And then we have the Cadillac XTS, an American luxury sedan that promises comfort, smooth driving, and a wealth of tech features, but with diminishing brand appeal, slower market turnover, and declining consumer perception of reliability. Its depreciation is particularly steep, especially in the first 3 years, making it a car that can feel like a bargain after a few years of ownership. Not far behind is the Lincoln MKS, a full-size luxury sedan that offers spacious interiors and a quiet ride yet struggles with high running costs, low demand in the pre-owned market, and less than stellar long-term reliability ratings, which contribute to rapid depreciation, while the Maserati Ghibli, an Italian beauty that offers performance, style, and exotic appeal, can also be a depreciation trap due to costly maintenance, niche market appeal, and a reputation for expensive repairs that drive down resale values quickly. Alongside the Infiniti Q70, a luxury Japanese sedan that competes with European rivals by offering comfort and a reasonable price, but its lack of brand prestige, limited dealer network, and slower demand in the used market make its depreciation surprisingly aggressive. Then there's the Volvo S90, which offers Scandinavian elegance, safety innovations, and sleek design, but despite its appeal, depreciation hits hard because of lower brand recognition in some markets, high initial pricing relative to competitors, and concerns about expensive repairs, followed by the Lincoln Continental, a full-size luxury sedan with rich heritage, refined design, and impressive interior comfort, yet sales struggles. A shrinking market for large sedans and high costs of ownership contribute to a rapid drop in value. And finally, the Audi Q7, while being a luxury SUV rather than a sedan, deserves mention for its combination of space, tech, and performance, but depreciation is steep due to its high initial cost, expensive optional packages, and a crowded luxury SUV market that makes used models less desirable. And throughout this exploration, it becomes clear that owning a luxury car comes with not only prestige and driving pleasure but also the unavoidable financial reality that certain models lose their value faster than others, meaning that buyers must carefully weigh initial purchase price, long-term ownership costs, market demand, reliability, and resale potential to avoid being blindsided by the steep depreciation curve. And by understanding these 10 vehicles, the BMW 7 Series, Jaguar XJ, Mercedes-Benz S-Class, Audi A8, Cadillac XTS, Lincoln MKS, Maserati Ghibli, Infiniti Q70, Volvo S90, Lincoln Continental, and Audi Q7, viewers can better navigate the complex landscape of luxury car ownership, making informed choices that balance luxury, performance, and long-term financial impact. because while driving a high-end car is exhilarating, being strategic about depreciation can turn a potentially painful loss into a savvy investment decision. Which is why this comprehensive overview not only highlights the models with the fastest depreciation but also sheds light on the underlying reasons behind their rapid loss in value, including factors like brand perception, market demand, reliability, maintenance costs, technological complexity, and consumer trends, ensuring that viewers walk away with a clear understanding of the intersection between luxury, desire, and financial prudence, making this video essential for anyone considering purchasing a luxury vehicle and wanting to avoid the common pitfalls of owning a car that depreciates faster than the thrill of its engine can last.